Hey guys, Colton here from Preferred Physical Therapy, where we help those 40 and above stay active and independent, live free from painkillers, and avoid surgery. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about neck pain. In particular, I'm going to talk to you about how to reduce pain when turning your head side to side. Now, this can really affect us when we're driving, when we're walking across the street, making sure that we check both sides, as well as just any day-to-day activities such as sleeping or even just talking with your relatives or family members at the couch. So I really hope this helps. So for this exercise, we're gonna need a band, okay, an elastic band. It could be the long, thin, elastic TheraBand ones, or it can be the tubing that we provide here. Now, I like to get a little bit of tension through this band, and I'm gonna keep my elbows right here at my side. From there, I'm gonna pull out with my palms up towards the ceiling. As I come out, I'm gonna try and pinch my shoulder blades on the way back. Now, we're gonna hold this position as we try to rotate from one side to the other. Now, why I really like the scapular engagement of this is it's gonna keep our shoulder blades down and back into a better posture, and it doesn't allow me to use my neck and my neck range of motion without having that good posture. So I'm not here, I'm not trying to like come in here where it's really tight. We're now opening up that space to get more range. Now from the side, it'll be that same thing. We're pinching and rotating and rotating. As well from the back, we really want to engage those scapulas to rotate and rotate. I typically like to do this 2 to 3 sets of 10 to each side. I really hope that this helps improve your neck range of motion from side to side, as well as decreases the pain into your neck. Now, if you have any more questions, we have our neck pain masterclass coming this May 14th, 2022. If you guys have any other questions or comments or concerns, please come on in, ask those questions directly to us, so that way we can help you in reducing your neck pain.